was going on?
Okay.
And you were hauling ass.
Oh, I was.
Yeah.
Then how come you caught up to me?
I just want to be free to go. I don't need to speak to nobody.
Okay, then you are free to go, sir.
Get the off my face then. Clowns. What the hell you stop me for?
You got a business card?
I don't have one on me.
I just gave you my name. Sorry?
What makes you say that?
What makes you say what?
What makes you say I can't record here in the public area?
From here. I don't have a problem with you recording. But
Who are you?
Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore an important and highly debated topic: citizens' rights and the attitude of law enforcement when facing people who fully understand their rights. In this video, we'll be observing female police officers who seem uncomfortable with citizens standing up to defend their rights. By refusing to provide an ID in unreasonable situations, these citizens not only display confidence, but also emphasize that knowing and understanding one's rights is essential. We will examine the different reactions of these female officers and analyze how their actions might impact civil rights. Let's dive in and assess these confrontations to see that protecting one's rights is not just a personal act, but also a fight for justice and respect in society. Don't forget to share your thoughts and support those who dare to stand up in this fight. Let's begin with the first scenario. It's still the issue of the right to film in public spaces, as a female officer tries to stop a citizen from exercising their First Amendment right to record.
I don't want to do a show, right?
I didn't come to interact with nobody.
That's why I'm asking. How long are you guys going to be here? So
I don't know yet. When you guys leave,
In the modern context, the right to film has also been interpreted to include the right to record in public facilities as part of the freedom of the press and the citizen's right to document government activities, including the police and public officials, all of which are protected under the First Amendment.
no.
You cannot record from the lobby, but you can record
No.
here from the vending machine.
What makes you say that?
What makes you say what?
What makes you say I can't record here in the
You can
public
record
area?
from here. I don't have a problem with you recording, but
Who
you
are
can
you?
do it from here. I'm the supervisor.
Alright, cool. You know this is a federal,
Correct.
a
But you can
public
record
building.
From here, sir. Thank you.
Hold on. This is a public area.
Sir, you can record from
Answer
here
my
every day.
question. Answer my question.
Sir,
Station or not?
we having a cordial conversation,
I-
but I'm
I-
letting you know the instructions. You can record from here.
Why is that?
You can record from the vending machine. Okay.
I've worked on the stories here before. I'm going to walk around the public area. It's my right.
Sir,
So you can do what you got to do.
You can
That's
record
it.
from here.
Have a good day. Cordial
Okay, sir,
conversation.
you can record from
All
here.
right, cool. Have a good day. I'm almost done.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna ask you.
Ma'am, I'm not going to do it.
Sir, I just need you to stop.
Anything that's open to the public, anything that's open to the
You
public.
can record from here. No, you cannot. You can record
Yeah,
from here.
what will make you say such a
You
thing?
can record from here, or you can leave.
Well,
you can leave the premise.
I'm not leaving until I'm done with my story. I have all the rights to record here. All this is public. It's not restricted. This is it. It's not much. These people never learn. Go ahead.
You have your right.
Yeah, so why
I
you,
said, okay, I don't know. That's the secret. If you want to.
She's wrong.
But you know, she's not.
She's
The
wrong.
Constitution of the United States.
Yeah,
Okay, I don't want to talk.
she's wrong. I can record all anywhere it's public.
You need attention. I don't.
I know. I'm just letting you know. If they're not coming, we'll leave. If they're coming, I'm staying. So what is it?
You see me call somebody.
Ah, she did.
Okay, speak to her.
I don't. Maybe she told you were next to her. That's all. What's your name? What's your name?
You see me before. You talk.
Yeah, I know. But so why are we going through this time?
Supervisor for you.
Listen, what happened last time?
Yes. Okay. You are.
In Yakabuchi v. Bolter, 1994, the First Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that Yakabuchi had the right to film government activities in a public building, particularly when those activities were conducted openly. The court emphasized that there was no legal provision prohibiting public filming, and that the citizens' recording of the meeting was lawful. Similarly, in this situation, filming in a public place where citizens are present as customers is perfectly legitimate.
And from the vendor machine, that way you guys can record.
Bobby, hold on. That's not the way it works.
What's the way it
That's
works?
not, you know the way it works?
Not your say so.
This is a public area. I'm working on a story. Hold on, Albert. I'm working on a story on this DMV public area. Anywhere that is public, I'm allowed to record. Just because they say and put boundaries wherever they want, that's not the way it works. I didn't interact with anybody. I come to take video, what I needed to take video of, and that's it. Hold on. I would have been out the door already. But since she called you guys because she wants to put boundaries, that's why I waited for you guys. Hopefully you guys do your jobs and educate them and her and let them know. I'm almost done. I was basically
Are you guys
done.
here for an appointment, or you're just here to record?
No, I'm here to work on my story. That's it. What's your name and badge number? What's your name?
10136.
All right, you know this is my constitutional right to record in a public
We've dealt with
building.
you a bunch of times.
So then,
how long are you going to be
you
here so I
guys,
can let her know how long you're going to be.
you know what I really want to do? I want to catch you guys educating her. That's it.
no.
Professional in front of the camera.
You took an oath, right, to defend the Constitution against foreign
Okay, but I
and
also
domestic?
we're not
So
we're
then
not
why are
making
you
sure.
not doing that?
Okay, well, go do what you
We're
got to
not
do.
making- But I need to make sure that you guys.
Because you
I
can
don't.
tell her that this is a
Can I
constitutionally
talk now?
protected right.
Can I talk now? I heard you guys. Thank you. Right?
I'm not.
We're
I didn't
trying
come to
wait.
interact with nobody.
That's why I'm asking. How long are you guys going to be here? So
I don't know yet.
yet.
When you guys leave,
You guys are already done with.
when
whatever
you
you're
guys
doing?
leave, I'll leave. That's it. That's the way it's gonna work, man.
When the police request ID from a citizen who is filming in a public space, it constitutes a violation of constitutional rights, particularly under the First and Fourth Amendments of the U.S. Constitution. According to these constitutional rights, every citizen has the freedom to record in public areas without being required to provide identification, unless there is evidence that they are breaking the law.
I'm not here for nobody's personal information. That's number one. Number two, if I put anybody's personal information on my video, it gets flagged. I'm not here for that. Because they don't like to be recorded. Now, number three, I'm almost done. That's the testing area. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Yes, I can, but I didn't. To where that pose at, I went like this, and I came this way. I don't care about the testing area. Recording everything in this building. In the common areas. That's it.
Common areas.
Very calmly, respectful. That's it. Yeah.
Getting anybody's personal information.
Of course, I can't do that, and I'm not here for that.
Avoid
I give you my word on that.
Any cheating you're putting her online, you know. We're
That's
trying to avoid
listen, and another thing,
That's understandable.
and another thing. These cameras right here, can request them and post them online as well. It's the same
When
thing.
they request them, they blur things out.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, of course.
But
But our intentions aren't to capture.
they don't know.
I appreciate you going and telling her. You know, this is what we want to see. You guys honoring your oath. That's it.
That's all.
It wasn't necessary at all. I would have left already. I told her, and I was very nice and polite.
Walking around, make sure that you don't record the areas from this.
It's not my intention. I was just counting how many workers were working. My people want to see how many workers, how many people, how packed it is. That's it. But they feel uncomfortable. They're government employees. They got no expectation of privacy. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day, all right? For that, and we're gonna do a victory lap. I guess they can't. It's my right to record here.
But you can just walk in without.
Yeah, of course. I'm recording the building.
It can be seen that despite the misconduct, at least 2 officers did not escalate the situation, maintaining a relatively calm demeanor, listening, and ultimately refraining from unlawfully enforcing an order to leave. This may indicate hesitation or a lack of precise knowledge about the legal rights that citizens are entitled to in public spaces, but it also shows a willingness to correct their actions. The police immediately arrested the citizen in just under 2 minutes.
Get your
Get your
supervisor.
hands behind your back.
Do you want my
Hands
license?
behind your back now.
No.
Please, hands behind your back.
No.
Hands, please.
I'm
sir,
not
hands.
resisting.
Yes, you are.
The police accusing a citizen of speeding without compelling evidence and then proceeding to make an arrest raises serious issues regarding the constitutional rights of citizens and the responsibilities of law enforcement agencies. This is not only an action that can be seen as an abuse of power, but it may also violate the right to be protected against unreasonable arrests or searches under the U.S. Constitution, specifically the Fourth Amendment. In traffic cases, corroborating evidence such as speed radar, cameras, or measuring devices is essential to prove that a citizen has violated traffic laws. Without evidence, courts often dismiss charges due to insufficient legal grounds. Accusing a citizen without evidence not only violates legal procedures, but can also be seen as harassment or abuse of power. The police arresting a citizen immediately after making illegal suspicions also constitutes a violation of the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution.
Name and badge number again, please.
I'm Deputy Head with the Washington County Sheriff's Office.
Okay. Can I see your identification?
This is my identification right here. This is my identification, and this is my identification. I need your license, proof of insurance, and your speed.
What is it?
You were doing 10 over the speed limit.
How did you calculate my speed?
Doing 42 and a 35.
I didn't pass you. I
You
was.
sure did. You absolutely passed me. You
How-
came up on me, and you got next to me. I hit my brakes to get behind you, and then you slammed on your brakes.
And how fast were you driving?
It doesn't matter. Can you?
How fast were you driving?
Please get code 1 cover to my location.
How fast were you driving?
Sir,
What's the speed limit?
code 1, please. Sir, if you do not give me your identification...
No, you didn't sell.
I already told you.
How did you calculate my speed? How did you calculate?
Detain you.
How
End
did
of
you
story.
calculate my speed?
The answer to
You
the
weren't
question.
pacing me.
I absolutely was.
When were you pacing me?
Did you not?
Driving legal speed
No, you were not.
in my own lane.
No, you were not.
You are in the right lane,
You
you
were
in the left
absolutely-
lane, and then for
Oh.
some apparent, and I did too,
So
because
that-
to figure out what was going on.
Okay.
And you were hauling ass.
Oh, I was.
Yeah,
Then how come you caught up to me?
brakes.
Oh, but no, you caught up to me, and then I hit my brakes to get behind you.
So if I caught up to you,
At least 45.
how did you calculate it?
I don't have to give you an exact speed,
At
sir.
least
In
45
the
is
state of
not an
Oregon, I have
answer.
to
This is a lawful
give me your
stop.
yes, it absolutely is. License and get out of the vehicle.
Okay,
You're being detained.
for what? What am I being
Hands
detained
behind
for? I don't think so.
Hands behind your back.
I don't think so, ma'am.
Code 3 cover. Code 3 cover.
Do you want my
Hands
license?
behind your back now.
No.
Please, hands behind your back.
No.
Hands, please.
I'm
sir,
not
hands.
resisting.
Yes, you are being detained.
For what?
Put your
I'm
hands,
not even legally stopped.
Yes, you absolutely are. Put your hands behind your back, please. Sir, you're speeding. This was
You
a very
cannot
simple
even tell
stop.
me how fast I was driving.
Does it, sir?
Does
you
it matter? Yes, it,
At least 10 over.
you have no
The statute-
idea what
the-
I was
The
doing.
statute is
At least 40, you have no idea.
40. You were doing at least 45.
How fast were you driving? First of all, you broke
Sir?
the law yourself. No, you
Sir?
can't. You want my ID?
Yes, I do, but not right now. You're being detained.
For
Put
what?
your hands behind your back.
No, I
because-
need your supervisor because you're assaultingly. I've been
Sir?
legally operating a motor vehicle.
Sir?
You actually broke several traffic rules.
I
Then
did?
you decided to retaliate against
Okay.
me because I noticed you doing something unlawful. Why did you brake in the middle of a street and you caused me to
Sir?
brake? And then all of a sudden now I'm being detained
Sir,
because
put
I'm
your
defending
hands
my
behind
rights.
your back.
No,
Right now,
great.
you're making this really hard
Great.
on yourself.
No, I'm not.
Put your hands
I'm
behind your
defending
back.
my rights. Is that
Put-
your supervisor?
Your hands-
Crazy.
The right supervisor's right there. Put
Excellent.
your hands
I
behind
want
your
to talk
back.
to your
Put
supervisor.
your hands behind your back.
I want to talk to your
You are
supervisor.
being detained.
Me for no reason.
Absolutely. No, I'm arresting you for not identifying yourself.
All right.
Good news for those waiting for the outcome. After review by the prosecutor, the charges related to the body camera were dismissed, and the speeding charge was also dismissed by a traffic court judge. The individual in the video is seeking compensation under tort law. The actions of the police in Washington accusing a citizen of speeding without evidence and then arresting that citizen are concerning. This not only violates constitutional rights, but can also lead to legal lawsuits against the police. Citizens have the right to protection against baseless arrests and can seek compensation if their rights are infringed upon. Returning to the issue of filming in public and the attitude of the police.
But that's what you gotta do. You gotta educate.
We just want to make contact with you, make sure you're okay. No, you're allowed to film it.
Although Indiana does not have a specific prominent case similar to Glick versus Cuniff or Fields versus City of Philadelphia, there have still been instances where citizens have been investigated or questioned by police while filming government activities or in public facilities, including events or interactions that are not necessarily related to police duties.
Hey, can I speak to you for a second? I got no problem with you, man. What's going on? Hey, take your hands out of your pockets.
Don't do it.
Take your hands out of your pockets. I need you. Get your hands out of your pockets. Come on, man. Let's go. I need, but it's not, okay? Can you talk to me? Can we just talk? Can we just talk?
Trying to talk. So this looks like the same thing that you guys just did recently, so
What's your name and badge number real quick?
why do you need that right
It's
now?
Officer Masters 198, Officer Tedro 192.
See, it's that easy.
I know, man. Hey, dude, I'm just trying to talk. Kind of weird, you know what I'm saying?
So here's the thing, sir. We got a call that you were recording some closing procedures. We're uncomfortable and asked us to come check it out. Okay?
You got a business card?
I don't have one on me. I just gave you just give me my name and badge number.
All right. Well, get it. Can I get it one more time, just for the record?
What'd you need?
What do I? Name and badge.
Officer Pedro.
Okay.
Numbers 192.
What about you?
Officer Masters 198.
All right.
All right, sir. Sir, like, is there a particular reason you're recording the business, or you just have to understand that someone felt threatened, so we're...
The Constitution is one of the best things we got right now, man.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the traffic.
Best things we got right now. So feelings don't matter here.
What doesn't matter?
What does matter?
I said feelings don't trump the Constitution, man.
Oh, right. Okay.
All right.
All right.
So I don't know what else to say to you.
All right.
You should tell them not to feel that
We're
way.
gonna fight our ourselves. Would you mind identifying?
I can't do that, man.
Why is that, sir?
Because I don't have to.
At this point, you're right. You don't. Okay. All right, sir. Well, if you're just out and about, you can be about your business, but just reporting those types of things, it makes people nervous, and they're probably going to call. Okay. You just got to check it out. Weapons or anything on you? Is that what that is? Okay. Is she the one? Okay, I'm gonna step in and talk to you.
So I'm not being detained.
No, sir. You were there.
Filming in public in Indiana is protected under the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, allowing individuals to freely film in public areas. Even in Indiana, citizens can record in places that the general public can access without violating the law, such as outdoor areas, streets, or public buildings.
Well, you gotta understand on our end, it is a little suspicious someone outside the drawers.
But that's what you gotta do. You gotta educate.
We just want to make contact with you, make sure you're okay. Indiana.
There are numerous reports from Indiana citizens about being asked by the police to stop filming or being questioned while recording in public facilities such as parks, police stations, or outside government buildings. Although the First Amendment protects the right to record public activities, officials often cite public safety or order management as reasons for their investigations.
Well, yeah, I've lived in Carpenter my whole life. I get that.
So, and what we see is that it's automatically the first issue is whose situation is him and see what the response is. And most of the time, they walk right past me doing the same thing.
I had guys, multiple guys told me
So
before.
we want to go out and show that first of all, there's a difference in like, and secondly, we want to show who the bad cops are, and if there's good cops, we should be able to show who they are as well.
Sure.
You know,
I'm on the mayor's call. I came up to see what they were doing and get their names if this man was being harassed. So
they were textbook.
I mean, yeah, I think that our mayor is doing a good job, and they've recently kind of done some changes of course. I think they're trying to be more.
Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day. You keep working out. You look great.
Unarmed, we came up, 2 armed officers to make sure to see citizens getting involved. The last stop we went to, there was a black gentleman just walking by him, and everyone else was gay. One of the rednecks came from behind and said, "Oh, there's another black guy, and he's with them, and they're plotting together." It's like, and they never met each other. They hadn't even talked. So this is what we're trying to point out, because there is a barrier, but if there's a gap, we should be able to bridge that gap.
I agree.
Good job, and you are doing a phenomenal job in the city government, so thank you for what you do. And thanks for coming out.
Yeah, no problem. I'm glad you're good.
You can explain to her
Yeah,
that
I
she
will.
doesn't think he was really
Sure, I will. I will explain it to her. I'll go explain it to her now. Your YouTube channel. I want to follow you.
This young lady works for the
Omaha. Oh.
No, I don't work for I work for an eye doctor. Okay, where are we at here?
O M
Hold your camera
A
sideways.
C O.
Talk to the guy on camera.
Go back. Hit the back button.
On camera. Bye.
Okay,
She
so
works for the mayor's office. She works for the
There you go. Well, got it.
hey, make sure you redact them, mayor. So I was appointed.
Understanding these rights not only helps citizens protect themselves in difficult situations, but also contributes to a stronger democratic society. Freedom of speech allows individuals to express their opinions, even if they may be contrary, without fear of repression. This is crucial for maintaining a culture of debate and fostering critical thinking. Suspicion from the police regarding surveillance behavior without specific evidence is not considered a lawful reason to arrest a citizen in the following case.
I just want to be free to go. I don't need to speak to nobody.
Okay, then you are free to go, sir.
Get the fuck off my face then. Clowns. What the hell you stop me for?
When the police suspect a citizen of surveilling them and request ID, this can violate personal freedoms under the 4th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. This amendment protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures. Police do not have the right to request ID unless there is a clear legal reason, such as an ongoing investigation or specific suspicious behavior. In this situation, it becomes evident that the citizen expressed dissatisfaction when the police called for backup in a scenario where there was no serious threat. This was ridiculed as an overreaction and unprofessional behavior, undermining trust in law enforcement's capabilities. Instead of handling the situation thoughtfully and calmly, the police appeared to exercise excessive caution, leading to disappointment regarding the accountability of the local police department. This not only impacts the image of the police, but also infringes upon the citizens' freedom of speech, protected by the First Amendment.
Am I detained? You have your driver's license with you? Am I detained? Yes, sir. What's your probable cause? So you've been following my. That's suspicious. It's suspicious of crime, sir? Can I get your name and badge number? Your name and vaginal number?
Sir. Mr. Butler, right? Is it Mr. Butler? AYALA 334.
What's your card number?
My what?
Card number?
Patrol. I have to go back there and check.
Can you identify those officers?
Business card if you like. That has everybody's name on it.
I need to see your 22.27. I'm speaking, ma'am.
I'm speaking too, buddy.
Department policy 22.27 says that you must police identification card upon request. Can I see your police?
My police what?
Did you not get a police card when you?
I don't understand what you're saying. You're not speaking clearly.
Do you know what a card is?
We're not gonna play this, sir. That's what we're.
To identify yourself with your police card.
And I did, and we're stopping at that.
All right. Am I free to go?
No.
What's the reason for the stop?
We already told you.
So you said I'm following somebody?
Yeah, we'll leave that. We'll just wait for that.
Can I get your name and badge number, sir? I can't see very well.
Owens 517, sir.
I'm speaking to him. Can you identify yourself, sir? All right, well, he's failing to identify himself.
No, he's not.
You're failing to identify yourself.
Okay.
I have no reason to. Where's the supervisor? I just want to be free to go. I don't need to speak to nobody.
Okay, then you are free to go, sir.
Get the fuck off my face, then. What y'all stop me for? I'm free to go, right? Free to go, I'm free to stay. What did you stop me for? Stop me for? What did you stop me for?
We already let you go, sir.
All right, I do file formal complaints. You stopping my freedom of motion, no crimes, no infractions, being formal complaints. Can you guys identify yourself, please? Do you have your policy 22.27? May I please see that, please? Thank you. You're the first person to ever do that. Nicholas Strong, thank you, sir. Kenneth Owens, thank you so much. Fishing is not a crime. Just remember that, fellas.
Investigate those, sir.
But you can't stop my freedom of movement minus a crime. You say that again? Reasonable public easement. Is this a street? Is this a street?
It is a street.
Branch Drive. I'm on a street. Is it Trixie? Let me talk to you for a second though. Because you mentioned something about reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. That's what you need. If no crime, you can't. I'll bring the tampons next time.
The Fourth Amendment also helps citizens become more aware of potential abuses of power by law enforcement. When you know your rights, you can confidently ask the police or authorities to respect your privacy. Thank you for watching today's video. Through the situations we've observed, it's clear that understanding and protecting one's rights is not only a personal duty, but also a vital part of building a fair and transparent society. The reactions from the female officers show that law enforcement is not always ready to acknowledge citizens' rights. We must continue to encourage each other to stand up, know our rights, and not hesitate to address wrongdoing when necessary. I hope this video has inspired you in the fight to protect civil rights. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more exciting content. Stand firm and continue to fight for the rights we deserve. See you in the next video.